tires, we've always had an extended warranty that went way beyond just material and workmanship. We had a lot of vendors and competitors that really held that strictly. You look at their terms and condition sheets, you'd see a customer or a vendor that would say, warranty, you can't hold me accountable for that. I made the materials out of what I said they would. The torque's what it is. The fact that it didn't work isn't my fault. MOGAS has always held the belief that the customer paid for something that worked. They didn't pay for materials. They didn't pay for machining. What they paid for was something to isolate a pump, something to isolate a control valve in service for a determined time period. That's why they bought us to begin with. The problems they faced previously was they had equipment that didn't work. They had gate valves that couldn't isolate the pump, so they had to shut down a refinery. They had valves that would leak out of the stem packing or leak out of the body joints. It was putting people in danger. They'd have hydrogen fires in these areas. That's not what the customer wanted when they bought that valve. What they wanted was consistently zero external leaks, and they wanted to always be able to isolate a piece of equipment in line so they can keep that plant running, so they'd run longer, so they'd make more money, that people would be safer, the operations would be better. That's why we came up with the Performance Guarantee Program, to put our money where our mouth is and to tell our customers, yes, we truly believe in the product. We're not just another vendor selling you a product and we're going to walk away from it. Lewis at one point had said he can't wait for the first time some customer comes to us and says, I'm going to hold you accountable for your performance guarantee. We relish that opportunity to show our customers and prove that and advertise that says that here's an example of us really putting our money where our mouth is. We made it right. We fixed that valve. We put it back into service. Now, we know we can't promise performance guarantees to every application for 20 years and they'll never have problems. These are mechanical pieces of equipment. They are going to fail. Each application is different. Again, that's a big part of who MOGAS is we want to dive in with our customers and know their applications. So we don't willy-nilly offer a performance guarantee for 20 years and, again, just trying to make a sale like some used car salesman's going to do. No, we dive into that application, look at it, see how many times it cycles, at what temperatures, at what pressures, is it actuated, is it manual, what are you expecting to do, how do you know if you have zero leakage, how do you know that you can isolate that control valve reliably. We want to know that information so we can put a performance guarantee around it that we believe in. We base that upon statistics. We don't base that upon guts and hearsay. We go back to our service department. We go back to our engineers. We go to the customers. We build that statistical database to show to our customers that, yes, we believe in this program. We are 98% confident that your valve will last 4 years. That 2% that failed, we have a fix for that. We know what the failure was. We know why it didn't work, and we know how to fix it or how to prevent it. Sometimes it could be things that we didn't do right up front. Sometimes it can be improvements to the valve. That's what the performance guarantee is about, is putting our money where our mouth is and making this actually work like it's supposed to, so the customers can feel confident in the solution that they bought.